Hello everyone, so the date is Wednesday, the 19th of July 2017, and I'm currently at one of my favourite nature reserves, Bateswood Nature Reserve. I've been to this little glade before on a number of occasions, and the place is on the outskirts of Stoke-on-Trent. Just picked up a lovely little feather here. Don't know what the feather is from. You can see there. Just a quick pan around again this beautiful glade, which I've been a number of times in the past. And I just love being so close to our Heavenly Father's natural glory, really. And something simple like this feather, you know, I don't know which bird it's from, but it's so beautiful when the place is filled with birdsong. So beautiful. There's not so many skylarks singing today, I notice, probably because they're nesting now and need to be quiet, you know, sitting on their eggs and fledglings. So this is why there probably isn't as much skylark singing. But there's quite a few other birds I've seen. So yes, fantastic, beautiful colours here, chocolate brown and black on the tips there. Could be a bird of prey, you know. Could be a bird of prey's feather. So peaceful and quiet around here. And talking about birds, I mean, I love like the exotic birds like hummingbirds, which we don't get in this country. But you can have a bee hummingbird the size of a bee, which is the smallest bird in the world. But then hummingbirds can go quite big as well. So but what we don't have in this country, like hummingbirds, we do make up for the beautiful songbirds anyway. I think the beauty can only be explained by our Heavenly Father. That's what I believe. So yes, I just thought I'd make another quick little video here and update it and post it on my Facebook. Hope you all have a pleasant midweek in July, and let's hope that the sun comes out a little bit. It's lovely and warm, lovely breeze actually, lovely breeze, and I'll see you next time, folks. Bye for now.